Right, where is it? This one, I think. A bit of a cooking. There we go. Petro or Petro? How would you say that? How would you pronounce that? Petromax FT3 1.6 litre Dutch oven. We're going to do a bit of cooking, fellas. We're going to do a bit of cooking, ladies and gentlemen, shall I say, with this. You know when you get one of these and you think you cracked it? And I didn't look. Stupid things. It's very satisfying when it does happen, isn't it, Jane? You know when you go out and you pull. Which one do you pull?
The opposite of the one you wanted.
It doesn't work. Sorry, I'm wasting the video here. Sorry, folks, but forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Don't get in the way. Don't get in the way. Stupid thing. Right, I'm going to light these up and get them on the barbecue. I'm going to use cotton balls for the firelight, so I forgot to bring any barbecue fuel. Try and get them all lit. Come on.
What have you got on that? Vaseline?
Vaseline your balls. Yeah. I was going to do a thing on first thing once. One lit there. Another one lit. But the hardest strike, I'll have to show you this one then.
You got them all. It's fine.
Right, now I have. Brilliant. Top. So if you don't have any barbecue fuel, the best way to get these briquettes going is to build like a wigwam fire over them. That will get them going well, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do afterwards. Right, we're going to break out the new Petromax FT3. Like I said, this is a 1.6 litre, and this is for 0.4 of a litre, the lid. And we're going to cook a piece of pork in here. I'm being the one who's going to fit or not. What do you reckon? Okay, just over the bottom a little bit. Put the lid on, because you know what will happen, it'll just fall over. And right, let me just get this pork out. So I'm using the lid to double up as a serving platter, well, whatever, preparation pot or whatever. Got the oil in, just let that go. I'm going to salt the top of the pork now and put some slices in it. So I'm going to salt all this and vinegar, but I haven't got any vinegar, so I'm going to use some pickled onion vinegar, which will be lovely because it's malt vinegar with herbs and spices. That'll be great. Actually, I should have put the vinegar on first, and that won't, then it'll wash up, otherwise it'll wash the salt up. Before you think it, oh no, that's a waste. No, it's not. 5-second rule. Listen to this. Okay, just made a little pot stand out of an old one we had. We got one there, it's too big, so I'll cut that down, put that in the bottom, and then the meat should just sit on that nicely. I don't want it to get burnt. Okay. Now I can use the lid, which has got quite a good depth to it. Pop on top, fits beautifully. There is an arrow, I think I've seen in the previous video, where I can let the steam out or whatever you want. But I'm going to close that for now, and then I'm going to pop some coals on. I've got a tivet now, so this can sit on over the coals, or I'll use this one. I haven't decided yet, but we'll give it a go. Okay, spread the coals out, put the tivet on top. Hold on. That's it, that should do nicely. Oops, sorry, focus, and also line up properly. All right. So now that's just going to sit like that, isn't it? There you go. Now, bear with me. come back in about 20 minutes and I guarantee you'll hear this sizzling. Any of the coals left over, I'm just going to put around the sides. I'll put it on top there. There's some heat coming off this, see? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, and if you need to, you can add coals and they will catch. Right, we're going to leave that. I'll come back in half an hour and we'll have a look, okay? We haven't started yet, look. And there's the little air, the little vent. It's not even lined up, but yeah, it's fine. I could line that up, but this is hopefully not too fast. So with these coals, they should die down a little bit and then the heat should reduce and just simmer with a bit of luck. Okay. I'm going to check this. Don't disturb it too much. Oh, I'll take them off. Right, gently, because you don't want all the dust to go inside. Stuck. Like it's risen. So you can regulate the heat a little bit just by reducing the amount of coals you've got on the lid. And if you need a bit more, put a few more on. All you've got to do is keep checking it. Okay, back in a bit. Put that down.
Ooh, crackling.
I know. Some chunky bits of onions in. How's it looking? Looking good, isn't it? Oh, that's too dirty. I'll give you a 5-second rule then.
You need some water in it?
I might just have a little bit of water.
Expanded.
Yes. Alright, let's get some more coals on top. Just a couple. I'll bring it back up to heat again and then just spread these around the bottom. There we go. I don't think we're far away actually. Come on, look at that. It's beautiful. I think the piece of meat was a bit big, and it is a bit because there's only two of us. But I might just put a couple of coals just on the lid on this side over here and at the back, just to finish that bit off. But we have crackling, baby. We have crackling. Right, so we're not far off. The veggies on. We've got the mushrooms cooking, and we're going to serve. I know what you're waiting for the carving and the luscious meat to fall apart, and it's going to happen. So just hold on, we're nearly there. Okay, so just heat up a few coals. Let's see what happens in about 10 minutes. That should brown off quite nicely. You can feel it as it goes down the steel. You should be able to feel any slight, see that dripping? So put a bit more pressure on that and that will level it off. And you end up with quite a nice sharp knife. Ready for carving the beautiful pork. You can use two methods as well. You can actually have the steel straight down like so. You got that? Can you see that? There we go. And then you can draw your knife down and you can feel it as well. And actually this, if your knife is quite blunt, you can actually put some pressure on this. You want to keep it at the right angle. Depends what you're thinking. It's about 45 degrees. Now, you can actually feel the smoothness. And don't just, I'm just feeling the edge. You can tell how sharp it is. That's it, beautiful. Okay, carving time. Ooh, still hot. Okay, so the first thing we do is zoom you in for the best picture, and then we're going to. Oh, I need a fork. Sorry, you got a fork, Janie?
Yep.
And what we're going to do is just release. And the trouble is us, when we get to crackling here, the crackling doesn't actually hit the plate much, does it? It never does it?
Stick it on there.
Yeah, so, okay. Oh, look at that! I told you, I did tell you, I did warn you. She's put it on the plate, yeah? Do you want to cut that up for us?
Yep.
And I will cut this one. Let's have a look at this, what it looks like now, okay? You, seriously? Oh, come on. This is beautiful. Look at that. Have you seen this, Jane? Take a look at this.
Looks lovely.
Look at that.
I only want a couple of slices. I don't want two.
Well, no, yeah, of course, I'm not going to eat it all. Blimey. Oh, just sharp my knife and just blunted it again. Look how sharp. See what I mean by... That'll do. That'll do. Okay, let's have a little look at this. Oh. Look at that. That, I must admit, I know it's small, but it's only for me and Jane. That is absolutely a cracking little Dutch oven. What do you think? Think it's all right?
Well, that joint is for 6, really, isn't
It is, yeah. I mean, so it was too big for us. What are you eating?
Nothing.
You're munching on crackling, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, let's have a listen to this. Ready, listen? You have to listen to this very, very carefully. Oh my God.
I know, it's terrible.
Oh, that's amazing. The vinegar does crisp it up. Oh, fantastic. Okay, let's dish.
That's a dish.
A quick next job is heat it up and we're going to make an onion gravy. I just put some gravy granules in because we're cheating. It's getting late. It's going to get dark in a minute. Oh, look at that.
And a bit of veg juice.
Yes, please. Just to lighten up a little bit. A little bit of beautiful veg juice. Not too much. There isn't much anyway, so we might as well put it all in. Like that. Give it a quick stir around. And we're ready to serve. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, onion gravy, veg ready, let's dish. Ooh, it's got spuds as well, and mushrooms, and carrots, swedes, and parsnips. How hungry are you?
Steady on.
Yeah.
Which one's mine?
That one there.
Without any crackling.
Do you want a piece of crackling? You've ate it, haven't you? I'll
Yeah,
give you.
fine.
It love is.
No.
No. Look at this. A real witness.
You'll have it back after.
Oh no, it's fine. I love me veg. I love me veg.
It's too much for my teeth.
Any more veg for you? Carrots?
Yeah.
And some sweets. Okay, that's enough. All right. Mushroom. Right, and now...
Should I deal with that meat?
Yes, if you could do, please, yeah.
Okay. Leave it
Right, so I'm going to pour this. Been a bit awkward.
I'll have gravy.
Look at that.
I forgot the applesauce, have we?
Have we got any? I think we got some.
No.
We haven't.
I think so. We might have.
We've got mustard.
It's okay. Taste it as it is.
Oh, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Wow.
Are you done?
Hot. Yeah, done. Thank you. Here we go. Can you hear him? Robin. Cheers. Let's have a quick
Cheers.
wino.
I'm not a wino.
No, I don't call you a wino. Let's have a
You
quick
are.
taste. Potato. Mmm. You wait till it tastes like gravy. It's beautiful. Right. This is the best bit. Ready?
How's your teeth?
That is amazing. Right. You want some? You do, don't you?
No. That bit at the bottom.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That'll be great. That helps the channel a lot. All the videos that you watch are free anyway. You don't have to pay anything. And any money that we make just goes towards new batteries or cameras and my GoPro.
Or another one of those.
Or a pot and cooking. Take care. Love you loads. And we'll see you in the next video. All the best. Yes, and I've been drinking.
Ciao, ciao.
Oh.